gang, it's ANYLAH here, and welcome back to day 2 of the Halloween nails. So I'm gonna do 31 days of Halloween nails. So welcome to day 2. If you are new and you would like to subscribe and join the Banks fam, I would surely appreciate it. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button down below. So today will be another story time, and today I will be talking about the time when my best friend went to jail for being black. Yes, she really went to jail for being black. So let's get into this story time. So me and my best friend and her sister, we were on our way to Texas to go do a business trip. And, we smoked a little weed and stuff like that or whatever. So we were in Illinois, and we were actually on the outskirts of Chicago. So we were driving. My best friend, she wears glasses. She can't really see. Well, she's supposed to wear glasses. She wears prescription contacts. So it's very late at night. It's very dark on the road. Usually when my best friend drives, I'm always in the passenger seat, and I'm usually her eyes. Even though she's driving, I'm usually her eyes. So we were driving to Texas, as I stated, and listen, I don't know what she did not see, but how you're on the freeway and then there's a lane to the left of you and you can get in that lane to turn left. Homegirl got in the lane to keep straight, and we were about to run into a freaking ditch, y'all. We was about to run into a ditch, and I had told her, best friend, you in the wrong lane. So during this time frame, it was this car that was following us, and it was so dark out, bro. We couldn't even see, or maybe I was just too high. But we couldn't even see the color of the car or nothing, but it was following us. So when we were about to go straight head on into this damn ditch, she swerved the car to the right super duper fucking hard, and the car behind us damn near fucking hit us. They had to slam on brakes. Turns out the fucking car behind us is a whole fucking police car, bro. Oh shit. As soon as that happened, I look up in the rearview mirror and I look in the side mirrors. I don't know, I always check my mirrors. So I see the lights of the car skirt, left, right, real fast, trying to maintain composure of the car. Turns out it was a police car, and we got pulled over, right? So if y'all been sticking with me, there's a story time on my channel where I said that I had fell off the pole. So when I fell off the pole, I had hurt myself real bad, and I was on crutches. So I used to post random ass pictures, funny ass pictures on my Snapchat of I'd be me and Bestie, and my crutches will be in the back seat, and it'll be me. And the whole time I'm talking about my crutches. So I was on crutches when this shit happened. And my best friend, she is really good at keeping her composure no matter what situation she is in, y'all. She is really good at holding her composure. So when we had got pulled over, the officer was like, hey, can I ask you, what made you swerve like that? I almost hit you. And she was like, it was just really dark out. I couldn't see. Now, I done stashed the weed. Her sister done stashed some weed. We up in the car trying to get ready. So they asked her to step out the car. So she gets out the car, and they're doing a search, a body search and shit on her. No woman was there. It was all men, which was, why is a man searching a woman? But okay. So he was searching her. He couldn't find shit. So then he asked her, did she have anything to drink? She said no. Then he asked her if she had any substances or whatever, and she said no. So he made her do a sobriety test. So he made her walk the line. My best friend has been clumsy since forever, since she can probably remember. So she passed it though. She passed her first sobriety test, which was walking the line. And then I guess they was pissed off. So he called for backup in his time frame. So he made her do a second sobriety test. I forgot what the test was, but he made her, I think it was recite her ABCs backwards. And she was like, I can't even say that shit when I'm under the influence. So she ended up passing that test, and he was super pissed off. So then he decided to make her do a third sobriety test, which was like balancing and shit. And she passed that one, and he was so pissed off. So in the process of them talking, like, it's hot, we got the windows down. Or if it wasn't, no, it was hot. It was hot. We had the windows down. And besides, my best friend is getting searched by the police. So I got the windows down because I'm nosy as fuck. That's my best friend. Like, what are you doing? What are you guys talking about? I want to know, because she got witnesses here and this is not what's going on. So again, she passed all 3 of these fucking sobriety tests, and my best friend started to get scared or whatever. So she was still keeping her composure, still being her. And she leaned against her car because she was out there for a while, standing on her legs and like standing on one foot and all type of shit. So she literally put her elbow on her car. And the man was like, the officer was like, you can't lean on your car. She was like, why can't I lean on my car? Like, why can't I lean? And he went fucking ballistics, bruh. Like, he fucking manhandled her. He snatched her by the wrist. All I know is, like, she went from like her back facing me to all of a sudden her face is facing me, and she's being ripped to the back of the car. Now, when this was happening, she was on the driver's side of her car. Next thing you know, she's on the back, and I'm looking in the mirrors once again, and she's literally like, I see her whole body like swinging from left to right, all over the trunk. Her car was dirty. Not really dirty, but it was dirty. So if you slide like your hand over your car, you would see the indentations of like, what the hell happened here? So like, dude was manhandling the fuck out of her at the trunk of her car, and now they're arresting her. And she was like, I'm not understanding why am I getting arrested? He was like, for damn, what did he call it? He said for not negligence. What the fuck was it? It was resisting arrest and something with like not cooperating. And she was like, I did cooperate with y'all. Like, I'm confused. What are you doing? So here I am on crutches and shit, hip all fucked up. So I roll my window down, and I got my like half of my body from my my ass up, because I'm sitting on her door now. So I'm sitting there talking. I'm like, no, you have rights. You can ask questions. So he was like, you need to get back in the car before I arrest you too. I said, we got to arrest both of us, because this is illegal as fuck of what you're doing. You have no real reason to detain her. And I was like, best friend, you have every single right to ask why you're being detained. You have every single right to ask this man questions. So he got pissed off because, you know, somebody in a car knew a little bit about their rights and shit. So the other officer comes to the door, because backup is here by now. The other officer comes to my door, and he was like, if you say one more thing, I'm going to arrest you. I said, fuck you. Best friend, you could continue to ask them questions, because you have freedom to speak your mind. You got freedom. Goddamn, I can't even talk these damn braces. I was like, best friend, you have a freedom of speech. You can sit there and ask these people whatever the fuck you want to ask them. They can answer it, they cannot answer it, whatever, but this is what is going on. And I was like, how they arresting you and they never even fucking read you your rights? Like, how the fuck, like, what the fuck is going on here? So the officer, when he seen me, he was like, I'm gonna snatch your ass out this car and put you in and I'm gonna put you in my car, and I'm gonna take you down too. I said, do whatever makes you sleep comfortable at night, sweetheart. But what you're not about to do is arrest my best friend. What is she being arrested for? They could not tell us why she was being arrested, bro. My best friend, dead ass, got arrested for being black. All of these officers was white, and this shit happened on the outskirts of Chicago, Illinois. Late as fuck at night. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning, and it was just fucking crazy. Like, crazy. No, we wasn't going to Texas. We was coming back from Texas. No, we was going to Texas. Yeah, hell yeah, we was going to Texas. So she ends up getting arrested, and I had to, like, when the officer saying I was fucked up, he was like, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know that you were on crutches. Are you able to walk? Are you able to drive? Like, his whole demeanor changed. Like, it went from my black best friend to I look white, even though I'm not white. But, like, he started treating me so different because of my skin complexion. And that shit is so fucked up. Like, Here I am, hostile as fuck, cursing, all type of shit, has no manners, has no respect for none of these fucking people with a badge. And my best friend is so calm, collective, chill, cool, obeying everything, respecting everybody, doing what they're asking her to do, giving them her insurance card, giving them her driver's license, everything ties back good to her. And she's being arrested for being black. They had no reason to sit here and literally arrest her. They could have gave her a ticket, you know what I mean, for like, she could have caused an accident or whatever, but they deadass took her to jail for no fucking reason outside of just being black. That was it. So they took her to jail, and then she gave me her keys. I asked them like, hey, can you tell her to give me her keys so I could drive her car? Because they was telling me that they was going to tow her car. I'm like, not at all. Best friend here to save the day. Ain't nobody towing shit. And then I was like, I'm going to follow y'all to the police department because I don't live out here. I don't know where that shit at. And they told me I had to Google it. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, can I just sit here and follow y'all? Well, if you follow us, we're going to arrest you and we're going to take you to jail. I'm like, for following y'all to get to the damn police department so I can bail my best friend out? The fuck? Like, so I could come pick her up? The fuck? So I can give her her card? The fuck? What are you guys talking about? Like, her phone, her keys, everything, my possession. Like, why y'all playing me like this? Like, why y'all playing her like this? Y'all got me fucked up. So she ends up going to jail, bruh, and she had to pay $200 to get out of fucking jail. She had to pay for a lawyer and spend a few $1,000s to get this shit like off of her, to understand what the fuck is going on, just for them to throw this whole fucking case out, y'all. But like, yeah, for real, this shit really happens, and that shit is crazy as fuck. Dead ass straight took her to jail for being black. This shit is so crazy. Like, y'all, I have so many fucking story times. Like, I promise you, there is probably not nothing you guys cannot name that I have not been through. So that's the story time of my best friend going to jail for being black. And these are my Beetle Juice nails, you know what I'm saying? I tried to do something, like I said in my last video that's currently up right now. I was supposed to upload yesterday, but it was taking all fucking day for me to do this shit. So I decided to kill two birds with one stone. Even though this video will be posted after midnight, I'm still going to post another video today. So today is October 3rd, and I'm going to upload another video so I'll be caught up. So there's one more nail tutorial coming after this, and then I'll be back on track to be able to post one video every single day. So yeah, tell me how you like these nails, and if you have any suggestions, any recommendations, what you want me to do, what theme you want me to do, or whatever, leave them down in the comment section down below. I read everybody's comments. I literally read everybody. I will respond back to everybody outside of them spammy ass comments that keep getting added to my videos. I don't know why people do that, or I don't know. But yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to the Banks gang, then sis, what are you doing? Because all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button. That's it. It's free. Like, I'm asking you. You got all the time in the world. Like, you binge watching other people's stuff. Like, why not subscribe to my channel? I do really good nail art. I do a lot of things on my channel. I have a playlist for every single thing that I do on here. So if you're looking for DIYs, you're looking for nails, you're looking for hair, you're looking for story time, you're looking for vlogs, you're looking for DIY things to do around your house, you're looking to see my kids, you're looking to see surgery. I mean, what you want to see, baby, because I have it all here. I am a busy mother of 5, if you did not know. So yeah, that's that. And this is my first time ever doing Beetle Juice. He's giving me like Joker vibes for some odd reason, but it's cool. So yeah, one of my videos, I'm not sure which one, but one of my videos, I'm going to do 5 nails consisting of all of my favorite horror, Halloween, scary movie type of, shits. I'm gonna put them all into one set, so you'll be able to tell exactly who represents who on which nail, which will be so dope. So yeah, I want to do some 3D artwork. I want to do like a bunch of stuff, and I just need y'all to sit up here and help your girl out. Leave me some suggestions. Leave them down there in the comment section. Also, do not forget to check my description box, okay? Also, we are on the road to 2K, like 2,000 subscribers. Like, oh my God, we are really, really close, you guys. And just hit that subscribe button so we can reach our goal. So until next time, my lovelies, bye.